What is the purpose of return air ducts? Return air ducts pull indoor air back to the heating and cooling system so it can be filtered, conditioned, and circulated again. A return air duct is the part of a home's air system that brings used room air back to the furnace or air handler. Supply vents blow heated or cooled air into rooms, while return vents collect air that is already inside the home. The system then sends that air through a filter to catch dust, pet hair, and other particles. After filtering, the air is heated or cooled and pushed back through the supply vents. This repeated movement helps keep room temperatures steady instead of making the system start from scratch each time. Return ducts also help maintain balanced air pressure, which makes doors easier to open and prevents drafts caused by air being trapped in rooms. A useful fact is that some homes have more than one return vent because larger spaces need several air paths to move air properly. To help the system work well, keep furniture, curtains, and boxes away from return vents, and replace the filter at the schedule recommended for your home. One common mistake is blocking a return vent, so keep at least several inches of clear space around it and never cover it with furniture. Another mistake is assuming that closing unused supply vents saves energy, because it can increase pressure in the ductwork, so ask a qualified heating and cooling professional before changing the airflow. A less obvious problem is using a filter that is too restrictive, which can reduce airflow, so choose the size and rating recommended by the equipment manufacturer. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.